In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your mobile number on your Amazon account. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and type amazon.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Amazon homepage where you are greeted with a variety of shopping options and helpful links. Once the Amazon homepage loads, look for the section labeled Account and Lists. This area is usually located near the top right corner of the page and contains links related to your user profile and various account settings. Clicking on Account and Lists will reveal a drop-down menu full of useful options, and from there you will be able to proceed to the next phase of the process. After accessing the drop-down menu, focus on finding and selecting the link for login and security. This section is dedicated to maintaining the security of your Amazon account and allows you to manage sensitive settings such as passwords, address information, and mobile numbers. By clicking on Login and Security, you will be directed to a page where you can view and update your personal information. On the Login and Security page, start by locating the option that references your primary mobile number. This field typically displays the mobile number that is currently associated with your account. Select this option to begin the process of making changes to your mobile number details. It is important to proceed carefully at this stage, since this mobile number is used for receiving important updates and security alerts from Amazon. Once the primary mobile number field is open, you will notice an option labeled Add. Click on this button to allow entry of a new number into your account. Adding a new number is a simple yet crucial process in ensuring that you have the most up-to-date contact information on file. After selecting Add, you will encounter a step where you must choose a country. This step is important because it sets the correct country code for your mobile number, ensuring that any messages or alerts are sent correctly based on your geographical region. Carefully choose the country that corresponds to your location from the drop-down list provided. This selection helps Amazon tailor communications and services appropriately. Following the country selection, you will now be able to enter your new mobile number into the designated field. Take your time to carefully input your number, making sure that all digits are correct. Accuracy here is very important, since this number will be used for account verification and for receiving time-sensitive notifications. After successfully entering your new mobile number, the next step is to confirm your changes by clicking on the option offered for changing the mobile number. Selecting Change Mobile Number will finalize your update, ensuring that your account now reflects the new information you have provided. This update helps maintain the security and accuracy of your account details. By following these instructions in sequence, you have now updated your mobile number on your Amazon account in a safe and efficient manner. Enjoy the ease and security of having your contact information current for all of your future interactions on Amazon.